Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for coming back for another video. So lately I've been focusing on rebuilding my relationship with food and finding meals that help me reach my weight gain goals without making me feel uncomfortable. One of the biggest challenges when you're trying to gain weight is that you need more calories, but also meals you can actually enjoy and finish. I've been trying to focus on foods that are nourishing, satisfying, and give my body what it needs instead of just forcing myself to eat, but I have to like what I'm eating or else it's not gonna work. Lately I've been making a lot of my meals just for me, like single serve meals, because I want to make sure I'm eating enough even if the kids are not going to eat it. So today I'm making this garlic and beef fried rice that I saw on TikTok, of course, and this has become one of my favorite meals and I actually look forward to eating it. It's comforting, full of flavor, and packed with ingredients that help me add more into my day. The base of this meal is rice, which is one of the easiest ways for me to increase my calories without feeling overly heavy. Then adding ground beef and eggs gives it protein to support my body while I'm working on getting stronger. For a long time, eating was something I struggled with, especially during stressful seasons of my life. There were times where I wasn't giving my body what it needed, and now I'm trying to be more intentional about taking care of myself. And this time last year, I was so incredibly weak and underweight, I could hardly stand to get to the bathroom, shower, literally anything. Even sitting to fold 5 towels of laundry would leave me out of breath. I'm very grateful to be standing to make my food now, because for a while I had to keep a chair in my kitchen so I could sit when I cook. Some people were asking like recently, why are you sitting down while you cook? Girl, because I need to. Okay, now I'm adding back in the ground beef. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description, but it's like garlic, onions, green onions, and then soy sauce, mirin. The seasonings bring everything together and it turns something simple into something that's like a comfort food for me anyway. I really like these flavors together. I do still have the sweet potato in the oven. I had like 5 sweet potatoes, and then when I went to cook them, most of them were off, so I only had 1 for this video. But I love roasted sweet potato. I always have. I also included avocado because I wanted to include nutrient-dense ingredients and healthy fats. Those are the type of additions that make a meal more filling and help me get more calories in without having to eat a huge amount of food. I can't anyway. I see comments from people that are like, oh, just eat like 5 burgers, or just trying to be rude. And I'm like, I literally cannot force myself to eat that much after not eating for so long. It makes me sick. Feel sick physically, and I don't think that's safe. I added a knob of butter in there for even more calories, and for my smoothies lately and even oatmeal, I've been adding in olive oil. And there it is, all done. I'm getting ready to plate it up, but before I do that, I want to give a huge thank you to Tull for sponsoring this part of my video. One thing that's become really important to me lately is feeling a little more secure at home, so I'm excited to partner with Tull for today's video. I've been testing their new 4K solar security camera system, and one of the first things I noticed is how easy it is to install. It's completely wire-free, solar-powered, and just took minutes to set up. The audio quality is incredible in 4K, and one of my favorite features is the AI-powered notifications. Instead of just saying motion detected, it actually gives you more detailed alerts so you know exactly what's happening before you even open the app. The cameras also have 360-degree coverage with automatic tracking, so they follow people, pets, and even vehicles, helping eliminate blind spots around your home. Another feature I've really liked is the AI search. Instead of scrolling through hours of footage, I can quickly search for specific events right inside the app. Everything is stored locally on the Home Hub, so there's no monthly subscription fees, which is a huge bonus. If you're looking for an easy to install security system with smart features and great image quality, I'll have the Tull link down below for you to check it out. And there's my plate. It looks so good. Let me know if you guys try it. And that is it for this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.